Hello, dear friends. This is Lada, and I welcome you at my new workshop, the first in the new course too. In this workshop, we talk about the return of the dragons, their magical realms, and their missions on planet Earth and beyond. I had such a blast creating this workshop. I can't even begin to tell you. It's my new labor of love. It is a very all-encompassing workshop, as I'm sure you'll find out. Please immerse yourself into all these episodes, into all these magical realms, into all these magical missions, and look at images, delve into the mysteries and secrets. I really, really want you to have as much fun participating in this workshop as I did creating it. And if you have any questions after you have gone through all the episodes, then by all means ask them. In the last segment of this workshop, I tell you more about how to ask questions, how to take part in our future Q&As. And there will be Q&As for each workshop, and I will talk to you more about them. So without further ado, please enjoy yourselves and let me know how you like this workshop. See you. To order Workshop 1, Return of the Dragons, Magical Realms and Missions on Planet Earth and Beyond, or to sign up for the full course 2, Multidimensional Souls of the Universe, go to ladaray.com, tab MDU, or click on links below.